Hi friends, it's Amanda. Welcome back for more Hip Kit Club inspiration. Joining you today for another March Hip Kit layer. I think this is number 7 for me with the Hip Kits, so definitely jam-packed and you can get plenty from them. Using the beautiful mood board designed by Angela this month. And I'm inspired by these gorgeous papers here. So there's 2 Hardy swaps and of course this lovely one here from Paige Evans Bloom Street collection, which I'm going to split. And I'm going to roll some paper cigars from. And then these 2 papers, I'm going to fussy cut the rainbows, and I'm also going to cut some clouds from the artwork paper. So I've done that off camera now, and you can see they're very loosely put together because I figured out I'll actually seal them to the page a bit more firmly. And yeah, inspired by that row of pens on the mood board. So on the bottom left corner, there's a large stack of what looks like rainbow coloured pens all in a line together, and I thought, oh, what a great idea to roll my own paper ones. It's not a unique or never before seen idea. I'm not going to claim that it's my idea, but it's just what it inspired me to do. So lots of people have done this before. And yeah, I'm just putting them all into order of the paper now so that they do run in rainbow order. I really like that idea of it being a beautiful rainbow order. Just using some white cardstock as my base today, and I've got that beautiful black and white photo of my 2 darling children, so I've got lots of pop of colour and then to make my photo stand out, going for a black and white version. So on with the fussy cut rainbows, and I'm just going to play around for now and these sweet little clouds that I've hand cut. I like the idea of this though, the rainbows, and yeah, just having a bit of fun, a really whimsical and happy kind of page. And I actually like how this is looking. It's really playful and fun, and I think it definitely reflects the joy and innocence of childhood and those happy moments. So yeah, I'm definitely going to start gluing things down, and then we'll go from there. And I'll just move everything off. There we go. And to start with, I'm actually going to seal along the back of these rolled paper straws or paper cigars, and I'll tape them into place once they're on. And then once I've got a few in place, I'll probably just tape underneath on the cardstock just to reinforce them as well. So, and this just takes me a little minute, so I'll skip this footage for you, but you can get the idea. You're just gonna stack them all together until, yeah, look at that. Look how effective that looks. So just popping them in, a little bit more tape. And I love the fact that I cut them at different lengths. So you can see some, I think I cut them at 5 and 7 inches or 5.5 and 6.5, just so there was that little variation in the sizing. I didn't want it perfect. I wanted it to look, yeah, uneven and a bit scattered and fun. And yeah, I do love how that looks. So because we already know how I'm going to add the clouds and the rainbows, I'm just going to speed things up and get them on. And look, really, really cute, isn't it? It's a really happy layer, and definitely one for, yeah, it almost has a spring vibe rather than summer, doesn't it? But really happy, really beautiful, and just joyful. And yeah, I'm happy with how this looks. So just popping all the pieces in. Oh, it's very sweet. And what to do next? So I've pulled out a whole bunch of stickers. These are from the Hey Hello pack that were in the kits, and I'm just going to foam mount them, and I'm sort of colour matching them up in the rainbow order as well. So I've got some red there, I've got some pink to go over the pink. I don't have a yellow, I thought it would look too busy, but then I'm going to add the sort of tealy blue and that deeper bluey green as well. And then I really like this sticker, and unfortunately it didn't quite reach on the screen there, but it says just you and me. So I actually put that sticker on my actual photo, and then I'm foam mounting my whole photo because I actually want it to hang over the edge there and I didn't want it to collapse. So there we go. And then there were a whole bunch of little bees in that sticker book as well, and I thought they were really cute, and I hadn't used the bee stickers yet. So instead of using enamel dots and scatters, I've added bees. I had one of the crepe paper Maggie Holmes bows left, so I had to add that in because it was just too cute and draws attention to my photograph, so perfect. Bit of an anchor point. And then, yeah, the Bloom Street phrase stickers for my alternate title favourite. And I say alternate because Just You and Me is my actual title. I really love that title on the photograph. I think that's lovely. And then just coming in with a few more of the Hey Hello stickers. These are the 6x12 accent stickers. Very sweet. I do like them. And then a few of the Prima Gems, and then some of the puffy enamels. Well, they're not enamel, are they? The puffy dots stickers from the Hey Hello collection as well. And I think they're just a really pretty finishing touch. And look, that's pretty much my layout today. I hope you've had lots of fun watching. If you've got questions or comments, please don't hesitate to pop them down below and I'll get back to you. Be sure to lock in your Hip Kit Club subscriptions because as you can see, the kits are jam-packed. You would never know that I'm on layout 7. So much awesomeness in our kits. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll have information for your subscriptions in the box below as well. And be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. And thanks so much for watching. Have yourself a wonderful, happy arty days. Bye.